Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. Today we will start our lesson from unit number 2, Someone Who Understands. In this lesson, we are going to read this unit here. SLOs of this lesson are: develop empathy to know and understand what it may feel like to have a disability. Use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of the tag from pictures by asking questions and contextual clues. Now look at the page number 17 of your textbook here. We have a warm-up activity here. First we understand, what does the title mean? Someone who understands. This is about empathy. You may heard about the word sympathy, and this is empathy. There is a difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy, when we see a disabled person or see someone hurt, we feel bad for him or her. But empathy is what? The ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. The willingness to imagine how the other person is impacted by their emotions. The first step towards taking compassionate action for someone. Compassionate means loving or affectionate. To see things from another person's perspective. किसी और के नजरिए से उसको देखना. So that you can understand to relate to his or her feeling. Sympathy का मतलब होता है किसी पे तरस खाना, किसी की बुरी हालत को देख के, किसी को तकलीफ में देख के उस पे तरस खाना. और एम्पैथी का मतलब होता है उसकी जगह पे खुद को रख के सोचना कि अगर मेरे साथ होता इस तरह तो मेरी क्या हालत होती, उसकी फीलिंग्स को समझना और उसके लिए कोई ऐसा कदम उठाना, लविंग या अफेक्शनेट, जो उसकी तकलीफ को कम कर दे और उसके नजरिए से चीजों को देखना एम्पैथी कहलाता है. सो इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट अ फार्मर and his female dog Dolly and his pup and a boy. So let's read from here. A farmer lived in a small village. He had a bitch named Dolly. He loved her very much. The bond he had with Dolly was priceless. Priceless? कीमती. He considered himself very lucky to have an extraordinarily bright and enthusiastic dog like Dolly. Extraordinary means special. Enthusiastic, फुर्तीली या चुस्त जिसे हम कहेंगे. Dolly gave birth to some puppies. As the farmer was poor, so he had to sell the puppies because they were of a good breed and would bring him lots of money. Breed अच्छी नस्ल के बच्चे थे वो. But at the same time, he wanted to such honors for the puppies who could love them as much as he himself loved Dolly. He painted a signboard advertising the 4 pups and set about nailing it to a post on the edge of his yard. Nailing? कील से ठोककर एक साइन लगा दिया एडवर्टाइजमेंट का, 4 पपीज को बेचने की एडवर्टाइजमेंट का. यार्ड, जो उसका यार्ड वैसे कहते हैं गज भर के एरिया को, यहां पर उसने उसके घर के आगे जो जगह थी वहां पर उसके एज पे किनारे पर लगा दिया, पोस्ट कर दिया साइन बोर्ड. एज ही वॉज ड्राइविंग द लास्ट नेल इन टू द पोस्ट ही फेल्ट अ टग ऑन हिज ओवर ऑल. टग ऐसे खिंचाव सा जोर सा महसूस किया, झटका सा. अ लिटिल बॉय वॉज स्टैंडिंग नियर हिम विद एन इनोसेंट लुक ऑन हिज फेस. द फार्मर लुक्ड डाउन इनटू द आईज ऑफ द लिटिल बॉय एंड आस्क्ड हिम हिज पर्पस टू कम. We read about a farmer who lived in a small village and he has a female dog named Dolly and he loved her so much. There is a special relationship between the farmer and his pet, female dog Dolly. And she was very active, enthusiastic and very special dog. Then Dolly gave birth to some puppies and the farmer was poor. He wanted to sell the pups for the money because the pups are from good breed, but he wanted rich owners who could take good care of his puppies. So he advertised by painted a signboard for pups and set it to the edge of his yard. Then he felt a little boy was staring at him from the distance. He has an innocent look, and the farmer asked him why he has come to him, why he's just standing there looking at him. Now look at this paragraph here. Mister, he said, I want to buy one of your puppies. Well, said the farmer as he rubbed the sweat off the back of his neck, these puppies come from fine parents and are very expensive to buy. I don't think you will be able to buy a puppy. I want to sell these puppies to the rich people who can take good care of them. So, in this paragraph, what we read, when he asked the boy about his purpose to come to him, the boy's replied that he wanted to buy the pups. But farmer's replied that these puppies come from very fine parents and very expensive. You can't afford it. And he said to the boy that he wanted to sell these puppies to rich people who can take good care of them. Now let's move to the another paragraph here. The boy dropped his head down for a moment, then reaching deep into his pocket, he pulled out a handful of change and held it up to the farmer and said, I have got 39 rupees. Is it enough to buy one of the puppies? No, my dear child, this amount not enough to buy a puppy, said the farmer. The boy with a sad face said, if I can't buy a puppy, can I just have a look at them? Is 39 rupees enough to take a look at the puppies? So, in this paragraph, what we discussed, when the farmer replied to him that you can't afford to buy these puppies, the boy got sad and dropped down his head for a moment. Then he just pulled out the 39 rupees from his pocket and asked him, is this money enough to buy your puppies? Then the farmer again replied, no, this money is not enough to buy these puppies because they are a lot more expensive. Then boy became sad again. Then he decided that, can I take a look at these puppies? Is 39 rupees enough to take a look at the puppies? क्या 39 rupees काफी है देखने के लिए सिर्फ? मैं खरीद तो नहीं सकता, तो इन रुपए में मैं क्या पपीज को एक नजर देख सकता हूं? Let's move to another paragraph here on page number 18. Sure, said the farmer, and with that he let out a whistle. Here, Dolly, he called, after hearing her master's whistle out from the dog house. Down the ramp ran Dolly, followed by 4 little balls of fur. Fur, naram balon ko kehte hain. The little boy was amazed to see Dolly and her puppies. The boy's face lit up with joy when he saw the tiny puppies playing. Lit up, khushi se chamak utha. The little boy pressed his face against the chain. His eyes danced with delight as the dogs made their way to the fence. Fence, कांटों की तार या लकड़ी का जो वो दरवाजा सा या वो बाड़ सी जो लगाई जाती है उसको कहते हैं. The little boy noticed something else stirring inside the doghouse. Stirring? Something was moving. हिल रहा था कुछ dog house के अंदर, कुछ और भी. Slowly another little puppy appeared. This one was noticeably smaller. Down the ramp, it slid. Then in a somewhat awkward manner, the little pup began hobbling toward the others, doing its best to catch up. So what we read in this paragraph here, farmer said that sure, you can have a look at the puppies. Then he let it out his whistle and called Dolly. And when the Dolly listened to his master's whistle, she ran towards his master, and the other 4 puppies were also following her, their mother. They were like a small balls of fur, नरम बालों की गेंद की तरह छोटे छोटे puppies भागते हुए आ रहे थे अपनी माँ के पीछे. The little boy was so amazed. He was very excited to see those tiny puppies playing. And he also pressed the chain against his face. He also noticed that there is something else moving inside the dog house. Then slowly, there is another little puppy. This one was smaller than the other. He was just slipping down the ramp. Ramp कहते हैं चलने वाले रास्ते को, जो मट्टी थी वहां पर. Then, awkward manner, बहुत अजीब तरीके से वो पपी चला आ रहा था. The little pup began hobbling. Hobbling? Walking with a limp. Limp means लंगड़ाहट, लंगड़ा कर चल रहा था. दूसरों पपीज के पीछे लंगड़ा कर आ रहा था. Doing its best to catch up. और उनके साथ चलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. Now look at the paragraph here, this one. I want that one. For how much are you selling this puppy? I should go home and ask my father for money. The little boy said, pointing to the smallest puppy. The farmer knelt down at the boy's side and said, "Son, you cannot get that puppy. He will never be able to run and play with you like these other dogs would." Then, in this paragraph, what we discussed, boy again decided to buy the last puppy. The puppy who was smaller than other and has a limp, couldn't walk properly or play. And he also asked him that I can bring more money to buy this puppy. Then farmer knelt down and said that this puppy is not for you. You cannot get it. This puppy will never be able to run or play like other dogs actively. Dear students, we will continue this unit 3 in our next lesson. Till then, I want you to read the other paragraphs too in advance. Now let's move to the exercise. On page number 13, these are the questions from the text we have just read now. Read out the text and answer the following questions. Have you ever helped your pet to make it happier? Pet किसे कहते हैं? पालतू जानवर को, जो आप घर में पालते हैं. Have you ever helped? क्या कभी आपने अपने पेट के लिए कोई ऐसी चीज की हो उसको खुश करने के लिए? अगर की है तो कैसे, क्या चीज की है? Do you think pets notice when you do kind things for them? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि हमारे पेट्स जो हैं वो नोटिस करते हैं जब हम उनके लिए कुछ अच्छा करें? Look at the third one. Do you think people notice when you do kind things for them? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि लोग जो हैं नोटिस करते हैं जब हम उनके लिए कुछ अच्छा करते हैं? I hope, dear student, you will answer this question by yourself. These are the general question. You have learned the concept of sympathy and empathy also, and you can also take the help from your text too to understand the concept of these 3 questions here. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.